if I gotta use the bathroom, she gotta come along with me and smell it. So just stay tuned, guys. She's downstairs feeding the baby, so I'm out of here. Thank you, guys. Hey, guys. We're back again. So look, we are cuffed.
Let me be ready for this.
And she just finished eating breakfast. Say hi, guys.
Be prepared to pee with me on the toilet while I do this test. It's okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Come on, guys. This really hurts. Wait. Ow. Ow. So, guys, we're back. She's being abusive. You know, I thought this was going to work out well, but she's actually pulling it against me. So just stay tuned. Come on. Let's go. I got to use the bathroom. Come on, guys. Come on.
Jermaine, look at your father.
Wait.
Look at what he did.
Babe, I got to use the bathroom.
There, you see? You might want to take it off.
No. Come on. We got to use the bathroom. Come on, guys.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see
36,300. Okay.
I don't think you thought this through.
Guys, I don't think this through. And we got Grandma here in the building. Grandma's in the building. Okay, so. And then we got to go to the sneaker store.
Give him very soft.
What you said?
You are going by yourself.
Ow!
I need this.
Oh.
You sure you want to do this challenge? Remember, I'm short, so you would be completely screwed dealing with my ass. Excuse me?
Wait, babe. I think, this was a bad idea.
I think it was a very bad idea. You're going to be hurting because... Look.
She's upset. Come on, Papa, let's go. Wait. Guys, this is not working out properly. Look what she's doing. Look.
I got to wash.
Well, you gotta wash with one hand, babe.
No, the point is that I'm supposed to be able to have now 4 hands, so...
No, babe, we have to wash with one hand, just one.
Only wash, right?
In one hand, babe.
Oh, yeah. I like my dishes to be clean, you know. You're gonna hurt your wrist.
One hand, babe.
Nope. I'm gonna do exactly what I need to do.
Alright, come on, let's go. I gotta go to the bathroom. Babe, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Yeah. What do you want me to do about it? You decided to do this damn challenge.
I know, but it's...
And that gives me a warning, so now you're screwed. You have to wait until I'm done.
No, this was supposed to... Come on. It was supposed to backfire on you, not on me.
It's so great. Where's the backfiring on?
Wait, can I use the bathroom? Come on. Let's go, babe.
Wait, I gotta clean
Wait, babe, let's go.
Wait!
Oh, this shit hurts for real. Oh, man. I really didn't think this through. Guys, we'll be back. Just stay tuned.
Oh.
It's recorded, babe.
Oh, okay.
So, guys, we're going to go get sneakers for the baby. And let's see how this is done. You want to hold the camera? Come on, Papa. Come on.
We needed someone to record us. I got my phone, my stuff.
I think this challenge we should have rethought it. I should have rethought it.
You should have. It's a cool challenge. I don't even get sneakers on.
Whoa. Wait, Papa, wait.
Hold on.
Wait. Oh.
Okay.
You got it? Oh. This hurts.
We were supposed to have like a recorder or something.
Okay, wait. Come this way.
You know, this reminds me of one of those movies that I can't stand watching that you don't really see anything but a hand and or like camera movement.
Okay, ready? Now we gotta get in the car. Okay. Come on, Papa.
Come on, baby. Come on, Mama.
Now we gotta get in the car. Say hi to the camera.
It's beautiful outside. Come
Papa.
on, Jeremiah. Jeremiah, focus. Okay, Mama's gonna take the phone.
Now how are we gonna get in the car?
Okay. We're doing a challenge.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Challenge is a failure so far. Come on.
Are you done?
You're done? Okay.
Okay,
But you
so-
can't throw Mama's phone on the floor.
Wait till we get in the car, puppy.
Come here.
No, babe.
Come on.
How are we gonna get in the car?
Easy.
You need to go with the phone, right?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, baby. You go inside.
So how are we gonna get in the car now?
I'm gonna lock him in, and I'm just gonna sit in the front, I guess.
Oh, this is challenging.
Yeah.
Okay, let me put the camera in the front.
Okay.
Bubbles. Okay. All right, so maybe you drive, I'll come in. That sounds good. Oh. Papa, come.
Come on. Come. Come sit. Come on. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Sit back.
You guys are trying to go in? Huh? Yeah. Guys, we're back. So we're back. And we're about to hit the mall. Eagle Ridge Mall. There it goes. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Wow, this is a throwback.
So now the fun part is trying to get out the car. I got an idea. Watch it.
I know. I'm not gonna go in that lane over there.
Yeah, trailer trucks.
It's going so slow.
Yeah, he's going real slow. Come on, buddy. Oh, he's turning in here. That's why. All right, make it go on the left lane. There you go.
Challenge definitely caught me by surprise. This shit is not what I was expecting when you said challenge. In here?
Yeah. I'm never on the passenger seat. This is so awkward for me. I feel like I'm in an Uber right now.
Depends on where the hell.
Say, yeah, make a left. And we gotta go in there. And then we gotta get the baby out. So, go a little bit. Go all the way towards that end. No, let's go to that one.
Which one?
That one, that entrance. Oh my God! Watch it, babe. She got nervous. She's nervous. She got nervous. Oh man. Okay. Anywhere. Far? Why far? Babe, you said a little far, and then you park next to the truck.
It's a great parking, actually.
Okay. Okay, so now we got to get out the car, right?
Okay, don't forget those sneakers. Alright, go ahead. I'm gonna climb over.
You gonna climb over?
Yeah. I need to make sure my parking is
Wait,
good.
babe.
Oh, sorry.
You're being so dangerous.
Me and Jeremiah's juice.
I did legs in my butt.
Gracias por estar con nosotros en tu radio, Rumba 100.3.
Look at the people. Look at the guy right there looking. He's like, what the hell is going on over there?
Oh, yep. There you go. Fine.
You see? We got it. I think we're becoming pros at this. Let's get our child out in my bag. Okay, time to go. We go bye-bye. Here, take your phone, because I'm not in.
This is a project.
Papa, Mama needs you to help me out here.
Okay, wait, let me do it.
No, one needs to pull, one needs to do the
I think it's better.
I know, we're coming up. Okay.
Ready? Come on, Pablo.
He's looking at our hands.
Come on, buddy.
Great job. Great job. I need my bag. I'll get it. I can just put it right here. Now.
Go from dry eyes to happy eyes with Therapy.
Which one is my water?
Hydrates dry eyes with the 5 vital electrolytes.
So guys, we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Guys, we're in the mall. It's pretty empty.
Let's go, Papa.
The camera's dying. And the 4-hour challenge is about to finish. So guys, like, share, and subscribe if you like this challenge. I'm telling you, this is real difficult and real hard. Especially with a toddler. Especially with this guy. Look, he's running around. Sometimes we got to get to certain places, try to get him out of here.
You want to write this?
You know, but we love you guys. You know,
No, you gotta sit up here. You have to
love
sit
all,
down
stay
here.
blessed. Appreciate you guys, and continue to follow us. We'll be putting out more content. You know, just bear with us and stay tuned. Appreciate you guys.
Love all and stay blessed.